Hi everyone. Now we are going to continue talking about nouns, okay? But let's remember what is a noun, okay? A noun can be a thing, a person, or a place. Now, we have different type of nouns, and that's the thing that sometimes is a little bit tricky for a student, okay? So, we have countable nouns and non-countable nouns. Here we have some examples. A chair, bathroom, airplane. Why are these countable nouns? It's because we can count them. And we can make the noun plural. For example, I have one chair or I have two chairs. So when students ask you how to identify a countable noun, ask them if it is possible to make that singular noun into a plural noun, okay? So I have a chair, I have a bathroom, I have an airplane. Okay, that is clear. I can have two chairs, two bathrooms, two airplanes, right? Okay, now let's see the non-countable nouns. And here we have some examples. This one a little bit harder, okay? But let's see how we can explain this. We have water, silk, air, sugar, history, traveling, love, happiness, Spanish, and rain. Can we count them? Can we count these nouns? Let's think about it. Water. Can I count water? No, I can count cups of water. See? Can I count silk? Can I count the material? No, I cannot count the material. I can count the jacket, but not the material. Air. Can I count air? Can I count sugar? So it doesn't make sense if we take the noun and we try to count it, right? So when we explain that to the student, it is easy for them to understand what's the difference between the ones that are countable and the ones that are not countable. Love, happiness. Can I count love? No, I cannot have two loves. I can have two lovers, which is different, right? But we cannot count love. We cannot count happiness. We cannot say I have three happinesses. Sounds weird. It's not a word in English, right? Now that we have identified what is a countable noun and a not countable noun, it is time to add something else. It is time for articles. We have three different articles, a, an, and the. But the question is when we have to use these articles, right? Okay, the rule says that a and an are used when we have singular countable nouns. Let's go back to this list. We have chair, bathroom, airplane. We have them in the singular or plural form? Singular, okay? So since they are in the singular form and they are countable, we need to add articles. For example, if a student comes with the sentence, I bought chair, that sentence is not correct because we are missing the article. Why? Because the noun is countable and it is in the singular form. So I bought a chair, okay? The same with bathroom, a bathroom. Or let's look at this example. I bought on an airplane. So now here we are going to use this one. But why? Here we have to pay attention to the sound that we hear. And it is important to explain that to the student. Okay? So here we have airplane. We have a vowel sound. That's why we use N. Okay? Here, bathroom, we have a consonant sound. That's why we use A. And it is the same case for chair, consonant noun. That's the difference between these two articles, okay? Something that we have to remember is that these articles, A and N, we cannot be used with the plural nouns. So if a students come with this, I bought a chairs. Ooh, that's not correct. Why? We have to explain that it's not correct because this one is in the plural form. And this only goes with the singular form of the noun. So we can erase this one, or we can keep a and make the noun singular, a chair, okay? Now we have this article, and I love this article because we can use it with what? We can use it with plural nouns, we can use it with singular nouns, and we can use it with countable and not countable nouns, okay? So let's see some examples. For example, I bought a car, right? Okay. The car that I bought yesterday. So see, you know what car I'm talking about. So you and I know about the car that we are referring to. So we use the. So usually we explain to students that when we have previously mentioned the noun, when we mention the noun again, we use this article because it helps us to identify the noun, okay? So in this case, can I say a water? No, I cannot say a water because this is not countable. But let's see. We can do this, the water. We can say the sugar that is on the table, see? Okay, we can, instead of a, if we are talking about the same chair, we can say the chair. Okay. So these are the rules, or the basic rules to know about nouns, countable and non countable, and how to use articles.